Guys, how's it going? Today I am playing I Am Cat. It's a new one on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy. This game's really fun. We're gonna just have some crazy moments. I'll tell you how this stuff works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you if you like my content, please hit that like and subscribe button. So I'm a kitty, and I have a grandma. This grandma really likes her stuff, and she likes cats. Just like this. Grandma, pick me uppy. Uppies, Grandma. I want uppies, yay. See what I mean? So what is that noise? Yes, and I can run around and break stuff, like come up here. Also, since I'm a cat, I can wall run. Grandma. And Grandma really likes her potted plant, so when I hit one off, she gets mad at me. I mean, of course. See? She's like, grrr. But it's fine. Yeah, and I can knock her out, so that's fun. Oh, I don't like the statue. And I don't like this plant either.
You're going to for me.
So yeah, guys, this game is super fun. It's chaos.
Finish here. You're going to for me.
What is it? What do you mean?
Zatraska. You're going to for me.
Heh. So yeah, this game's super fun. We're gonna do some cool stuff. Oh, it's boring. Where'd the remote go? Oh, okay. So guys, this game is super chaotic because I can do stuff like this. We run up walls. So yeah, hey Grandma. Grandma, pick me up. Pick me up. Yeah.
You.
Haha. So you get all. Ha. And I got your glasses.
You're going to for me.
Can I put these on? No, I can put them in my mouth, but no, I can't put them on. Oh, Grandma, do you like these walls? You definitely like these walls. Oh no, I'm slipping. Wouldn't it be so bad if I extended my claws while I was slipping? I need some curtains. Because I can go like this. Yeah. It'd be so bad if I just went like that or like this. Yeah. Yeah, Grandma. Grandma. Would you like a sausage? Or? Who are you talking to, Grandma? 2 minutes. Don't worry, it's not actually 2 minutes. A little longer. There we go. Stop. Grandma. 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 Grandma, pick me up. Picky. Grandma, pick me up. Grandma, I have a sausage for you. Pick me up. So pick me up. There's a sausage. Ha ha! How's your sausage? What's this? Okay. High score, 41. And guys, if any of you can beat my high score of 41, comment down below. Beat. I'm gonna go see what's on top of her fridge. What's on top of her fridge? Oh, what's this? Just my mouse. Grandma, do you have any idea what dishes I found? It's on your fridge. What is it? Oh, it's a taser. Grandma, wake up. Wake up, Grandma. Grandma, wake up. Wake up, Grandma. Wake up. So wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Okay. Oh, I forgot about you, Sparky. Oh, sorry. Hat. Yeah, you can't get me. Sparky?
You can't fall for me.
Oh. Oh, what's out of my hand? Sparky. Sparky. Oh. Hi, buddy. Oh, sorry. Come on. Come on, Sparky. Okay, hey. Sparky. Come here. Look, I have a treat for you. Oh. Come here, Sparky. Can I put you in my mouth? No, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, one-handed. Go in the fish tank. Grandma, what if I scratch your eyes? Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Lots of fun. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.